Hello everyone. Can you hear me? Please revert me if you can hear me so that we can start a session. Good morning, Rafi. Good morning. So let's begin with the today's agenda. I'm waiting for 1 or 2 minutes if somebody is arriving. So here is the knowledge check, and I want to just repeat few more the things. We have like last two sessions we have discussed what is a complete affiliate marketing guide, how to enroll in affiliate marketing network, and how to promote affiliate marketing links to create with a small website, and how to do the affiliate marketing with social media, organic and paid promotions too. This so far this we have discussed, and today we will be discussing this agenda. Like if you have the affiliate link, you want to do the affiliate marketing, then there are a lot of promotional activities, and SEO is one of them. So we will be knowing that how to promote affiliate marketing with the help of the search engine optimization, right? So in that we will be know little bit the history of search, that how searches work, how search is taking the affiliate links, what is the behavior of the search, and what kind of the different websites we have, and how we can promote different websites with the help of the SEO, how to rank all the website in top of the Google's result in first page, and what are the on page and off page factors in SEO. There are on pages little bit technical, but all is doable, you can do at your end, and off page are the activities which you do just to create the backlinks. So I will just let you know the quality, I will just let you know the ways wherein you can create the quality backlinks, and in this session we will be understand how to find out the keywords to target your affiliate marketing links. Ultimately, if whenever is like people is searching on Google, they must be writing the keywords. So with the help of the keywords, your website, blog, whatever you have your online presence, that should be come in the top. So the most important part is that you are targeting the right keywords. You need to differentiate that you are targeting the informational keywords or the commercial keywords. So I will let you know what kind of the keywords, how many types of the keywords, and which keywords you need to take for your business, which keyword you need to take to optimize firstly in the ad, the very initial level, and we will also know the do's and don'ts of the affiliate marketing in SEO, right? So this would be a large agenda for today, and we have to finish this. So now I am just starting with the history of the search, guys. So it's just for your understanding, like how the search is started, and what was the first search engine, what was the second search engine, who created this, who invented this scenario, who invented this ecosystem of the search. So this thing I will just discuss with you, all of you. So let's talk about the history of the search. So I just want to know the most popular search platform before Google became popular. Anybody is having the idea what was the first most popular search engine platform before Google became popular? Or what was the first search engine before Google? Yes, Rafi, Rakesh, if you know. Okay. So firstly, here are the list of the, okay, no problem. No problem, Rakesh. I'm just explaining to you. So here are the listed search engines: Google, Yahoo, Bing, Alexa. No, Rafi, it's not Bing. It's not Bing. AOL. So firstly, the first search engine was the Yahoo. Yahoo came up with this idea, and Yahoo invented the first search engine before Google, right? So this was the history, and you should know. So you should also know that who invented Google. So Google is invented by Larry Page and Sergey Brin, and Yahoo invented by the Jerry Yang and David Filo. Similarly, the Ask.com is Garrett. So these are the founders of the popular search engines. So if somebody will ask you that who invented Google, who invented Yahoo, you should know. Similarly, there is there is one system that already the search is invented, like Google and Yahoo is invented, but the main function which is the crawler. So crawler was invented by the Brian, and the first crawler was the web crawler. This was the first crawler invented by the Brian after Yahoo, right? So I will let you know in detail when we will discuss SEO that what is the crawler, how it works, and what is the importance of the crawler. Everything I will let you know. First, understand these terms, that Yahoo came first, and after that crawler came first, and then this Lycos is the again search engine, and then InfoSeek, and then Alta Vista. After that, Google beta version invented by the Larry and Sergey Brin, right? And these are the people, Larry and Sergey, who invented the Google. These are the two people who invented the Google. After that, I will explain how does search engine work, right? So I'm just opening a little bit for you, just explaining that how search engine work. So type it here. I'm avoiding today the paid ads. These paid ads I'm avoiding today. I will discuss the organic results. So these are the organic results, guys. So if I have typed buy online shoes and this snapdeal.com is coming. So what Google did, Google just take this keyword and simultaneously for this keyword check their database and what was the current and updated and the fresh results. So fresh results was of the Snapdeal, and Google listed the Snapdeal after that Jabong and Amazon. This is how Google is working. Let's understand with the help of the diagram. So here, what is happening here? This is the search engine, Google search engine, right? And I told you that the web crawler or the web spider, sometimes web crawler also called as a web spiders, who are these small programs. With the help of the crawlers, they understand what you have changed in your website, what you have updated in your website, and if you have added something in your website, then with the help of the crawler just make understand to Google that this website made the changes. So those changes crawler listed into their databases, right? So this is the work of the web crawlers or the spiders, right? So search engine and web crawlers, after that websites. So what crawler do basically? Crawler crawl the websites just to know that what they have changed in that, right? So after that, all the information of that has been changed from any websites, then that is stored in the Google databases, right? So this is the Google databases, search engine databases, right? Any search engine databases like Bing, Yahoo. So if somebody will type the keyword, then Google will like cross check with the database that which was the updated and fresh results. Then Google listed, then Google display the results from their database. This is the ecosystem of the search engine, that how Google work. So Google, the prime factor of the Google is that the crawler, the main, the role of the crawler is very much important, because Google is working on the freshness update. Google is giving the fresh update. Yesterday we felt earthquake, right? So I'm just typing the keyword. Um, see the results. These are the latest results. Friday, 2nd June. So if you can understand, Google is not giving the 30 days old data or 1 year old data, right? There are many algorithms Google launched so far on which Google is working. So one algorithm is the Google's freshness update. So Google is working on the freshness update and giving the all updated data, not the old data. So if you will check anything, Hello, 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 hello. Hello everyone. Now can you hear me? The issue is fixed now. Okay, great. That's great. Okay. So I was discussing the web crawler agenda, how it works. So I was just giving the example of the Snapdeal. Let's suppose people think that if I updated something in my website, then how Google will understand, how Google will know that I have updated something in my website, right? So with the help of the crawler only, Google can know that you have updated something in your website. Let's suppose I have listed 5 new products in my website. How Google will know? Because the search engine crawlers is frequently coming to your site and analyze what you have done, what the changes you have done in your website, and all the changes crawler listed in the search engine databases. Then and only the search engine, whenever you will type any query to the Google will see all the changes in the databases, the frequent changes, and as per the relevancy, Google giving you the results, the back results to you. So this is something that how Google works with the help of the search engine. So if you want to know when this website is cached, cached is something that Google crawler seen this website. Okay, Snapdeal. This query is not working for this website. I was just checking this website when it is cached. So this is something. See, this website is cached by Google on 1st June. Means Google visit this website on 1st June. This is how you can check. I'm just giving this query to all of you. If you want to check something, you can check in this way. You need to click it here and you need to click on the cached, right? And here you will see this website is frequently cached by Google 2nd June, right? So these are the basic terminology that you need to understand how Google works, how Google is giving you the very fresh results, right? So let's begin. Let's see the evolution and domination of the Google. This because search has surely evolved. How? I will let you know, because you will see the difference from the beginning. So now I will let you know. These are the changes so far we are noticing. How? Because in the initial, now you are seeing did you mean. If you are writing, then if you are mistyping or something you are doing wrong, then Google is giving the option that did you mean this. Previously Google was giving the AdWords images, and after that synonyms Google is taking. If you will type something, Google automatically give you the lots of option, and the autocomplete facility Google is giving now, right? After that universal search is Google giving. You can search for the movies, videos, flights, anything. And then Google Instant, there are too many tools are coming. Voice search, you can also search anything with the help of the voice. And knowledge graph is introduced by the Google. Let's see this all practically, because then you understand better. Mm, so if I said Google is giving the did you mean, uh, this is also the meaning. Again it is typing. Okay. So here you can see the news section is coming, the images section is coming, the video section is coming, and in the more, if you will go, you can see these options, the maps, books, flights, personal. So these all are not coming when Google is launched. So Google is enhancing itself with the help of their algorithms. So let's write the Amitabh Bachchan here, right? So if you will type for any personality, any famous place, any books, any restaurant, you will see this knowledge graph, guys. So the right hand side, the complete information about the Amitabh Bachchan in a very first glance you will know. So this is called as a knowledge graph, and all the information is coming from the Wikipedia for this famous personality, right? So this information you can see, it is coming from the Wikipedia, right? So, and these are the social profiles in the movies which Amitabh has done. And after that, if you want to go in more details, you will see the top stories. Nowadays the Google is giving the results in this way for the famous personality, famous places, right? Twitter is enhanced, Twitter is coming in that way. Previously these blocks were not coming, but now the blocks are showing in Google, right? And the Facebook and their famous links. Similarly, I told you that I need to do for the okay, for Taj Mahal. This is the famous place, right? So similarly, for the Taj Mahal, you will see this knowledge graph. This is called as a knowledge graph. I am here just to make you understand with the with these terminologies, so that later on you can understand what is it. So this is how Google is enhanced. And let's know about the height of Ranveer Kapoor, right? So if you will type this keyword, then it will automatically give you the results, you know, and even it will show the comparison. Akshay Kumar, Deepika Padukone, right? So this is something Google is giving nowadays. And if you will type something like that, you want to change dollar to INR, sometimes in Indian rupees. I just want to change my dollars in rupees, and I just want to know what is the let's suppose I want to convert 10,000 in US dollar. It would be $155, right? So these are the things that Google is giving very frequent results. Do you understand? Can I proceed further? Yes, everyone? Okay. So I told you that Google is working on the being current update and the freshness update. That's why you are seeing that much of the updated results. No, crawler is not working in any algorithm, because Google is set like Google is created their rules. The crawler work is just to scan your website, what you have done. But Google is working on the so many algorithms, right? Previously, what was happening, that Google is blocked the thin content, website. How the thin content? Like previously in SEO, too many people were creating the very like low quality backlinks, right? They were doing too much well in the Google, just to rank well into the Google. They were just creating the writing the very low quality content. So as per the Google update, the Google Panda update, sorry, the Panda update, Google is like avoid such kind of the websites who are using the low quality content. So Google was not ranking those websites in Google top 10 results or top results. So this was the Google update. There are too many updates. Google Penguin update, Panda update, right? Hummingbird update, knowledge graph update, because this is also an update. This knowledge graph is showing this is also an update, and it launched is around 2013, right? It launched in 2013. So this is something, there are too many updates on which Google is working. The crawler work is just to scan the website, and it is also like any app is also updated frequently, so crawler is also updated frequently. This is something. Okay, Rakesh? So I told you that how to check Google is giving the best results, right? If you need to know about the Ranveer Kapoor, Google will give you the results. And this is how Google is evaluated, right? And evolution of the Googles. If you will write any movie, you will see such kind of the changes into the Google date and time. If you want to check the what is the UK time now. So you can check it here. There is 6 a.m. It is something, right? So this is how Google is working. And I was telling that Google is giving the auto completion, that I have just typed the UK time, right? And this much of the options Google is giving. What you are searching? You are searching now or list or Indian time or difference with India. So such kind of the keywords Google is automatically giving to you just to complete your results. There must be some machine kind to language in build. Okay, but how it can scan? There must be a machine kind of language. Yes, yes, it is. I told you in the beginning that Brian was the developer who created the first web crawler, Rakesh. So it is like the coding is done behind the web crawler, because if the big search engine is going on, is working on, behind this big search engine, there are so many codings done. The big organization Google is running, there are too many developers who are changing a lot, right? So of course there is something behind this. So this, and you should understand that 60 to 70% of revenue is coming from the Google search, right? For Google, 60 to 70% of the revenue is coming from the search. This is search, guys. This is search, right? This is search. Let's proceed. And now I will let you know the different kind of the websites, right? Because ultimately, if you will do the affiliate marketing, you will have the different kind of the websites. Because in the past, in the first session, I have created a small blog of J, right? And I'm sure that everybody has created their blog so far. If not, then must create the blogs, at least small blogs. So this is one of the website, one of the type of the website, that personal websites or the blog. So you need the SEO, you need the search engine optimization for these kind of the websites, right, guys? And after that, you will have the business websites, wherein you will have the business information. Okay, and business information or the product based website or the Whiter Smile. This is the Serotrans example of the few websites. These are the websites wherein they have mentioned their products. Again, the e-commerce website. This is the service based websites, guys. Logistic company giving the shipping services globally. So e-commerce websites, and after that jobs board website. You must be seeing if you are applying any kind of the job, there are naukri.com, shine.com. I don't want to give the keyword search info. How can I do that? Can be it possible to stop? I don't want to give the keyword search info. Rakesh, the question is not clear. What kind of, if you want to see that how to do the search for the keywords, this is something you want to know? Yes, yes. In this session, I have listed. I think you missed that when I have started, I have told that what we will discuss, what would be the today's agenda. So today you will understand that how you can research the keywords. Everything you will understand, right? So just have patience. I will definitely explain. So before that, I'm just explaining what kind of the websites for them you will do the SEO, right? But I want to restrict the certain user. I will let you know, Rakesh, no issues with that. Let me complete this. So there are too many job sites, and naukri.com, shine.com, Quaker, and Placements India. You will see different kind of the websites for the job openings. So all the job opening sites also doing their SEO, the search engine optimization, the social media promotion, the paid marketing. Everybody is leveraging with the digital marketing platforms. So this is something that it's not only that if the website is job board website and they are not doing the search engine optimization, they are doing their SEO, right? They are doing the affiliate marketing, they are doing everything. And there are some business directories. You will see that is Zomato, wherein you have listed too many restaurant sites. So these kind of the websites wherein you will see the business information. The business is listed, either the doctor sites or the restaurant sites. How we will know that they are posting legitimate info in portal? Are you talking about the job portal site, Rakesh? So it is depend, Rakesh. Like if I'm talking about the Naukri.com, right? So the Naukri.com is posting only those openings which they have, right? They are associated with the organizations, and it is working like a portal wherein many organization is listed. Like there is an opening in Noida, Delhi, NCR, and Pune. So every location based job listing is listed in job portal. So they are legitimate, right? Because if someone is having the opening, that then and only they are posting into the Naukri.com, because they are paying something to the Naukri.com. Is something. So business directories we have, and question and answer site. There is a Quora and Yahoo Answers. There are such kind of we have such sites wherein you can see the question and answers. Sometimes if I need to know what is the difference between this thing and this thing, then I can just type in Google, and the first thing I will see the Quora, right? It is a forum and the question answers based sites. So online communities, photo sharing, video sharing. So these all are these types of the website also available, like Facebook, Twitter, G plus, dig in. So if you want to go to the photo sharing site, go for the Pinterest, right? If you want to go to the video sharing site, go for the YouTube, Vimeo, right? So if you want to go for the image sharing site, there are Flickr, Pinterest. So too many of the websites, and you need to identify which kind of the website you want to create or you want to optimize, right? Coupon website. I told you that affiliate marketers are earning so much with the help of the coupon websites. They are also doing their search engine optimization, right? So I will share. But there are fake job listed also. There must be some tool to understand who are genuine or not. Rakesh, this is up to you, that how you are. This is something that you need to understand, that how you are going to check the job listing. Before checking the job listing, you need to figure out points, which is basically the website name, the locations wherein the site is listed, and how many employees they have, what kind of the services they are giving. And if you will search with the help of that URL, because in Naukri.com everything is mentioned, right? So before applying any job, you need to understand like the company URL, what are their social media platforms, the performance of the social media platforms, how many employees they have, what are their company policies. So if you will check in everything, then and only apply to any job listing, right? This is up to you, because sometimes what happened, Naukri.com is also like missed something, that they are not updating from their end. like the job posting, they have done, which is expired now. The organization is not looking any candidate, but people are applying from there. So this is something like this is like skipping from their end. But job like naukri.com is a big portal. They are having too many employees who are take caring that naukri.com. So it's about like Rakesh, I'm just recommending you here that if you really want to apply any kind of the job from any portal, right? So there are few things that you need to understand. You need to go through with the websites just to check that this website is genuine or not, right? How can I come up to know the given coupon is right or wrong? Rahul Ranjan. So this you need to understand. Once the coupon website will give you the I'm going to the Coupon Dunia, cashkaro.com, Coupon Dunia. There are too many, right? So let's suppose fresh menu. I'm just clicking on the make my trip. So here show the coupon code. For this you have to sign in, and then it will give you the coupon code, and that coupon code you need to apply to the make my trip, right? So if that coupon will be redeemed by the make my trim, it is valid. Because also there are few things, only pick those code which are up to dated, because they have clearly mentioned this code is valid from 1st to 30, 1st to 2nd, 1st to 15. So only pick those codes, and after that here is the one filter. You will cross that. After you will cross this one filter, go to the make my trip and apply that code, and if that code is not working, you can report to the coupondunia.com that you have mentioned that this is valid code and it is not working. And you need to understand, you need to completely like if there are too many coupon codes, there is the process, there is a process that steps to redeem. Always read these steps, because if something they have mentioned, that would be definitely correct, right? Because if you are not able to redeem that coupon, that means you are not following these steps. This is something. Okay, Rahul? No, Rakesh, they are not paying to any third party merchant site. This we are discussing in the affiliate marketing. What is the affiliate marketing? It is the performance based, pay for performance, right? So if coupon dunia is redirected to the make my trip, if somebody like booked any flight with the help of the any coupon which coupon dunia is giving, then coupon dunia will get the commission from the merchant site, means from make my trip. This is the affiliate marketing process. For this neither make my trip is paying something nor coupon dunia is paying to the make my trip. It is just a pay for performance based, you can say that the ecosystem, or you can say that the process wherein you just need to like redirect the audience to the make my trip, or you just need to like ask your audience or influence the audience that they can book any flight or purchase any product or subscribe anything or download anything. What is the objective of the merchant? If the audience is fulfilling that objective, that means the affiliate is coupon dunia will get the commission based on the make my trip, based on the merchant commissions, merchant commissions. So Coupon Dunia will get some kind of the commissions. So this is the process of the affiliate marketing. This you are understanding. Ma'am, for promoting a coupon, we have to do copy paste. For promoting a coupon, we will have to do cut copy paste. What you want to cut copy paste, Rahul? Write down the clear. Can we also make a site having the coupon related? Yes, you can go through with the sites. This because if I'm showing you the types of the website, that means I'm just giving you the opportunity. I'm just giving you the opportunity to think that you can also build your website similarly if you are planning, because you are just the beginners, right? I'm thinking correct that you are just you have just recently started your career. So don't go with the very big plan, right? Go with the very initial level, like you have created a small website blog. And if you are the like if you are thinking being, you have the team, you have everything, you have too many things, then you can plan for a big website, right? Because ultimately if I'm talking about the naukri.com, then behind the naukri.com there is a big team who are take caring the naukri.com. you know Only one website is not associated with the naukri.com. There are thousands of the website who are listed with the naukri.com. So to handle the naukri.com, there is a big team. So this is something I'm just explaining you, and I'm just giving you the idea that you can do at your end. We want to post it on my website, then what will I do? So just we need to link to the merchant site. Too many questions are here, no problem. Because okay, I need to understand. Rahul, Rakesh. So Rahul, I have cleared your answer, coupon.com. Let me know first, then I can proceed with the Rakesh answer. Yeah, please reply quickly, because we have a very long agenda today. I need to cover all and everything. I want to just show you very practically. Yes, Rakesh, you just need to link the merchant site only in your affiliate website. This is something you need to do, right? So guys, more questions. If you have the more questions related to the slides which I am showing to you, please ask. Else, I will give you all your answer end of this session, right? A lot of site how to create all site coupon and affiliate. Rafiq, a lot of site how to create all site coupon and affiliate. So Rafiq, it's simple, because the investment of the to create a coupon site would be little bit high, not that much. For that you need to purchase a valid domain, like they have purchased coupon dunia cashkaro.com, right? So similarly you need to go or group coupon.com, something like that. You need to figure out the domain which are available, you need to purchase that, and after that you need to host your website, and you need to build your website in that way wherein you can mention the uh, you can, like the layout which they have. Similarly you need to ask your designer to create the such layouts, and after that you need to your uh, promote your domain with the help of the SEO and SMO. Okay, so this is something, because ultimately you have to involve a developer. If you are not if you are not because these are the website, if you will check, these website is built in PHP, or you can say that the Magento or the core PHP. So there are too many platforms, because if you are like creating these websites, then you have to take care of the security reasons as well. right? So ultimately, when you will purchase the domain, you will host the website, and you have to build the website with the help of you or your developer. And then after that, just to bring the affiliate, just to mention these links, because ultimately they have the tie-up with the Make My Trip, Click, and Adda and Fresh Menu. So similarly, you need to contact these people, the Make My Trip, Click, who will be interested in you. They will list it there. They will give you the chance to they will give you the chance to mention their links to your website, and then you can promote in that way. So if somebody will redirect it to the Tata Click, and they will purchase any kind of the uh, products, or the, you can say that the clothes, then you will definitely pay by the merchant. This is something, because this is a whole process you need to build. Okay. So I'm proceeding again, the types of the websites which we have discussed, the, I think, coupon websites, everything. There are the auction websites wherein you will see that people are auctioning, right? Bid to win is the example of the one. And knowledge based websites, the Wikipedia, encyclopedia, these are the knowledge based websites. So you will see some kind of the information if you want to gather, and many more variations, right? So such kind of these all are the types of the websites which we can think around, and we can start our affiliate marketing on those, right? So good website design and the bad website design. So this I will explain when we will discuss the SEO, right? So this is the don'ts of the affiliate marketing. What you need to do it, like, you cannot proceed with the broad niche. Broad niche, that means you cannot proceed with the, that you are selecting a very big that the category in which you are thinking that from the very initial level I will target too many of the affiliate links or too many of the products. This should not be, right? So start with very basic level, start with the one product or two product, and after that proceed slowly. Don't promote products you don't like or use, right? So because I told you that affiliate marketing is the interest based marketing, so you only proceed with the products wherein you have the interest. Don't sell directly, because nobody will purchase, strangers will not purchase, because people will not purchase from the strangers, right? So you have to build your authority, authenticity, and everything. You need to create the relationship with your audience. That this how you will create, I will let you know. Because ultimately, if I have the link, if I have the link, let's suppose this is the affiliate link, I'm going to promote it, right? So if I will, like what I have done, this link I have included in my blog site, and I'm writing content in, and I'm thinking that somebody will go through with this, and that will join this, that will click to this join now, right? So this is something. So it's not that people will not go directly on this link, because somebody, let's suppose I have the blog, and after that I have in my content I have included or hyperlink this link, and somebody is clicking on this link and redirecting here. So what is going on? The trust factor is break. How? Because my website was the digital, let's suppose this is my website. My website was the Digital Marketing Corporation, and I was giving the information about the everything digital marketing, right? And what was happening after that, I have linked this link. So the URL is very dynamic, you know, they are having the numbers, ID associated. So this is not the user friendly URL, or not the SEO friendly URL, you can say that. So we have to divert this URL, and we have to convert this URL so that it will show something like that. uh, it should be show like digital marketing here. After that should be coming, it should be like you can say that it should be something like this. So this is something you have created a trust factor. You have built the trust factor, and people will definitely click on it because they will not think that this URL is different and your website is different. And make sure that what kind of the URL you are promoting, your website should be thematic, relevant to that promotional link. Then and only user will click on that. So I am just explaining the URL structure here, that what kind of the URL structure you need to create while promoting the affiliate links, because Google is not disallow the any affiliate marketing. Google is also allow the affiliate marketing promotion. The only right techniques is required, right? So don't use the same exact affiliate link. What you need to do, you need to divert it, you need to clock it, right? So this I will let you know very practically once I will come to the practical session, right? So similarly, guys, can we proceed with the SEO now? Okay, so if you have the website, I'm closing all the links from here right now. Okay, so what is SEO? The SEO is stands for the search engine optimization. It is basically the art and science of the optimizing your website both on the internal and external level, so that it ranks higher in the natural organic listing of a search engine, right? So in SEO I have discussed the term internal and external. So we will deeply understand what are the internal terms and what are the external terms. Internal terms is basically the on-page factors, we can also call it as the on-page factors, and external terms we also called as the off-page factors. So these on-page and off-page factor belongs to the SEO, wherein you are optimizing any website, you have to optimize the on and off-page factor of your website so that it help to rank your website higher into the search engines, right? So if you will optimize your website and people, because in SEO if you will optimize, you have to optimize your website for the keywords, right? Ultimately SEO is work for the keywords. How? I will explain you. Guys, everybody is understand with the like, if I have typed something like digital marketing courses or digital marketing jobs in Delhi NCR, right? This is a long phrase keyword, long tail keyword. It's not the short tail keyword. If I will search only for the digital marketing jobs, it would be the short keywords. But I have included the location as well, and this is the local keyword as well, right? So here I type the keyword digital marketing jobs in Delhi NCRs. So some people, this Naukri.com, see the Naukri.com is running the paid ads, right? I'm avoiding this. So these all are the organic ads, right? So what they have done, I'm just taking the top 5 results. These are the top 5 results, and these top 5 results optimized their website for this keyword. That's why Naukri.com, again Naukri.com, again Naukri.com is coming on the top. And after that Indeed.co.in. After that, LinkedIn is also coming. Guys, if you have the LinkedIn account, you have the great opportunity to have the jobs, because in LinkedIn you need to increase the connections that you can increase at your end. You don't need anyone, you don't need any guidance. That is a very easy platform, but the strong platform. And in LinkedIn you will see the jobs thing, right? You can see that option in the LinkedIn, right? And the career builder. So these websites are coming in the top. So these all are the organic results, guys, and some of the paid results. So search engine optimization, the best practices, and on-page optimization, wherein you will improve a little bit technically your website. You need to improve your website technically, and it comes from the best practices, right? And in off-page optimization, that comes from the popularity. That means if you are creating the backlinks, you need to create the backlinks from the popular websites who are the popular. Now proceeding with the on-page optimization. So this is something, if I'm talking about this is the title, guys, and this is the description which are coming, and this is the URL. So if you will optimize your website on Google, then Google will display only this much of the results inorganically. So from where this results is coming, I'm just clicking on this link, right? I'm just clicking on this link. What I'm thinking, I have typed digital marketing jobs in Delhi NCR. See, if I have typed the URL, if I have typed the exact keyword digital marketing jobs in Delhi NCR, so this thing definitely they will hear digital marketing executives, Delhi NCR, you know. So they have this thing mentioned in their website. That's why everything is coming. That's why this website is coming on the top, because Google is defining, Google is giving you the results as per the relevancy. So now let's discuss about the few on-page factors, which I will explain you. Uh, what is the internal linking? What is the internal linking, guys? That you have linked your website with your other website, with your links which in your other page. Let's suppose this internal linking is useful when somebody will click your website and can navigate easily all with your complete website, so that user can understand that you are, and you can cover your more products with the help of the internal linking. I was giving the example of the serotrans or the whiter smile. Let's suppose what they have done. This is something they have mentioned their services. Read more, custom clearance, inland transportation, warehousing, and in the read more button, what they have done, if you will click this read more button, it will redirect it to the shipping page, right? So this is something they have done, because what they have done, they have linked this internal page, the shipping inland transportation, in the home page. So this is much important. When you do the SEO, you need to do the internal linking, right? So let's suppose in home page they have listed the contact us form, contact us page, about page. Similarly, the external links are not associated in your website. Those are the different links they have mentioned. Let's suppose you have linked the Facebook. That is the external link, right? And this is the about us page. The on page optimization, you would have the about us page, you would have the contact page, home page, you would have the privacy page. It is much needed. And these all are the things that you need while you build your website. And these all are the factors wherein you can see some such competitive intelligence tool. What I'm doing, if you want to check any tool from where the traffic is coming, so these are the free tools, guys. I'm pasting in your chat window, or even you can refer this recording, so later on you can check what kind of the information these tools are giving, right? So let's suppose I just want to see the Flipkart performance from the free tool. From the website, traffic is coming. This is the last 6 month traffic, 106.90 million traffic is coming. The sessions, basically, average pages per visit, bounce rate, everything will be here. And from where the traffic is coming, from India, it is coming 95 percentage, right? And what are the sources of the traffic? These all are the sources of the traffic: the search, the referral, the direct, the social, the mail, and the display, right? So you can see that the direct traffic is coming too much, 41 percentage. After that, traffic is coming from the search, which we are discussing, the SEO part, right? So this is the tool, gives you the basic understanding of the website, the referral from the search, from it is coming, right? What kind of the keywords. So you can check this free tool. You can check with the help of this free tool. I have listed too many tools here for the SEO purpose. So later on you can go one by one and you can navigate with these tools. So we were discussing the main things, the SEO. Guys, now I will just give you the example. I will, okay. So SEO on page factors. This we have understand. Now here are some on page and off page factors. So on page of the SEO, like the SEO on page is divided in three main categories: the content level on page, the architecture level on page, and the HTML, hypertext marker language, right? So these all are the factors which belongs the success of any website, right? So if we talk about the content, that means you have the quality, you have done the proper keyword research, you have used your keyword properly, you have using the freshness update, means whatever the content you have updated in your website, that is up to dated and fresh, not the old one. And you have the verticals in that, right? And if we talk about the architecture, then your website architecture should be user friendly, search friendly. You have the easy crawlable structure and process, so that crawler can easily crawl your website, because ultimately this helps to rank your website high on search engines. You need to check the duplicacy in your website, you need to check the your website is mobile friendly or not. You need to check your website speed is good or not. You need to check your website URL is search friendly. You have the HTTPS, right? You should not use the clocking. Clocking is something when user is expecting something and you are showing something, right? So this is clocking. You should avoid this. You should avoid the thin content. You should avoid the hidden links. You should avoid the keyword stuffing in your website. So these all are the basic terms, the on-page factors. Let's see one by one. So this is the website. The first main thing, the foremost thing, I'm just open the one of my, Yes. So this is something which I have done, or we are doing for our clients, the main clients, and these are the research have been completed from the agency clients' ends. So you need to understand on which factors they are focusing a lot, right? So which factor is having the high priority, which factor is having the medium priority, and which factor is having the low priority, right? So in on page factors, if you have the unique title tags, those are having the high priority. If your title text should be optimized. If I'm telling the optimized word which comes from the, you know, this is something that you have incorporated your targeted keywords in the title tag. You have the meta description, you have the heading text, you have the alt text, and you have the URL. So this is the website. So I have put the command control plus U. Guys, if you want to see the backend of any website, you can put the control plus U, right? So you will see the backend of any website. Here I will see the title. So you can see this is the title they have inserted, this is the description they have inserted, and this is the keyword tag. These all are the primary factor for any website. If you are starting with the SEO, if you are starting with the SEO to promote your affiliate links, that means you need to include the title text with the help of the keywords. Your targeted keywords should be included in the title and the description and the keywords, right? After that, what I have told you, the heading tag play a vital role in that. So you should have the heading tags in your page, right? So this is also like you can check with the heading tag. So I will let you know, you have the headings from H1 to H6, and in one page you should have the one H1 heading, right? One H1 tag only in your single page. Please note down these factors so that and you can repeat H2, H3, H4 as per your convenience, right? As per your website structure. So after the main banner of the website, the content is coming, that should be H1, right? This is recommended from the SEO guidelines, right? And I was discussing that you should have the alt tag of your images. So if you, here is the backend, if you want to see the alt tag, you can put the alt. So see, this is the for this image, this is the image, right? And for this image they have put the alt tag whiter smile, and it is recommended, if you are taking the alt tag, that should be relevant to your website and relevant to the image. This image is talking about the Philips zoom, that means you need to take the alt tag Philips zoom, not the whitening smile or teeth whitening smile. The keywords which you are targeting for this website, you should not take those keywords. So every alt tag should be based on the images which you are showing, right? So this is something, alt tags and URLs. Let's suppose I am just redirecting to any internal page, the brand page, right? So see the URL. This URL is very well defined, that brands is coming, descriptive URLs, and I redirected to any category. So this comes to the accessories. Similarly, if you need to promote your website, your URL should be user friendly. These all are the categories, guys. So I have gone to the teeth whitening kits. See, my URL is something. You should not have the special character in that, percentage in that, because the Google crawler crawl the URLs who are the search friendly, easy to crawl. So this is also as per the guideline for the SEO. Okay. Now we are moving to the content quality. What kind of the content? Every page should have the at least 300, minimum 300 content, 300 words content. This is having the high priority, right? And content should be optimized for your targeted keywords. You can repeat and you can add your targeted keywords in your content, in your website or business pages content. So this you can do it, and content is well formatted and easy to read and scan, right? If I'm giving you the example of this website, see the content they have written. They have written a content very well, right? And they have done the formatting of the content. Formatting means, see how they have taken teeth whitening and they have highlighted the kits. They have highlighted the guides. Means here they are talking about the kits, here they are talking about the guide. So similarly, your content should be well formatted, right? Amount of the content exceeds the number of the ads. This is something that which we are talking of the such websites wherein the sites are running the Google AdSense, the ads. So you should not run so much of the ads in your website, right? And the duplicate content and canonicalization. This is something. Let's suppose uh, canonicalization is play a very important role. If your website is opening with the help of the without www or with www, so this website is redirecting to this single website, means this website is not having the canonical issue. Means if your website is opening differently without www or with www, right? So your version of the website should redirect only single domain, either www or without www. You need to decide it, right? If you are having the canonical issue, this will consider as a duplicate issue. Okay. So this is having the high priority and don't have the internal duplicate content. Internal duplicacy is something that I have this much of the categories, and the same content I have put in the teeth whitening kits, and the same content I have put in the this bad breath treatment. So this will called as the internal duplicacy. You should not have. And external duplicacy is something that in this page you have taken the content from any other website. So to check with the content duplicacy, there is the one tool, copy escape. I'm pasting in the chat window. So if sometimes you want to check the website duplicate content, you can go with the so even you can check at least 10 URLs in a day. After that, it will not give you the chance to check more than 10 URLs, right? It will not, the URL is not pasted correctly. Yes. I'm just showing you that how to check the duplicate content. See, here you don't have the no results found for this page. That means no external duplicacy. If you want to check the internal duplicacy, go for the siteliner. This also has pasted in your chat window, guys. Just note down these links. These will be used while doing the, so you need to click to the go, and here you will see the internal duplicacy, duplicate content. Let's refresh first. It's scanning your pages, right? Yes, only 1% content is duplicate. That means this website is perfect, is not taken any content from the No, it's scanning. Let's scan first. I think 6% is, it is improving. It is the numbers are increasing. So let's scan and wait for that, right? So this is something that you need to see the on-page factors on the content level, right? So I have given the tool to check the external duplicacy, and for internal duplicacy it is scanning. So simply you need to click to the duplicate content, and these are the websites wherein it is something that you have taken from the internal pages. Sometimes what happened, that if I'm talking about the teeth whitening kits, the menus is also taken by, see, the side menus and the above menus are considered as a duplicate, but this will not consider as a duplicate. You can avoid this. But let's suppose this is the problematic thing, that the content is similar from the other side, right? So you should avoid this. But if these links are coming as a duplicate, the site links and the above links, the footer links, which is fine, because this is the layout of your website and it will definitely come. But if this site is taking the exact content like other internal pages, then this would be problematic and you should avoid this. So this is how you can check from the internal duplicacy from the site liner, right? And the canonical version of the site established through 301. This I have told you, that if your website is opening with the www or without www, to resolve that canonical issue, you need to put the 301 redirection. You need to decide your website, you need to open either without www or with www. So for that purpose, in the coding section, you need to put the 301 redirection. Or if you want to pass the value to your any internal pages to home page, then you can put that canonical tag in your internal pages, that the value would be passes to only to your home page. This is the canonical tag. Now we will discuss the crawlability and indexing and sitemaps, right? These all are the important factor, guys. How? I will explain you. Sitemap. Let's see this website is having the sitemap or not. So yes, this website is having the sitemaps, wherein each link priority 0.5. From point 1 to 1, you can give the priority to your links, right? So you have given the, you have set the priorities. So so these links, because the crawler understand the XML language. So the crawler is coming to the sitemap. With the help of the sitemap, crawler is coming and scanning the each pages, coming to this page and this page, which page is having, whichever page is having the high priority, then it will come first to that page. So generally what happened, as per the guidelines, we need to set the home page as 0.8 or 1 priority, so that if crawler will come to the home page, and from the home page it will redirect it to the other pages. So with the help of the sitemap, it is much needed, because to crawl your website on up to date, that for that purpose sitemap is needed, right? So sitemap is much important, XML sitemap. And if you want to avoid any link, any website page from the Google, let's suppose this is the robots.txt, and which is important to inform Google that this page I do not want to show you, right? I do not want to show in the search. So you can hide that page by doing the disallow, right? So let's suppose that this robots.txt is used by the sites, the big websites, for the security reasons, that these are the Magento files that this website do not want to show to the, it's saying do not crawl common Magento files, right? So these are the files that this website do not want to crawl these files. So similarly, you can create the robots.txt, or this is something that it's very If you do not want to hide anything, then what you can do it, because I have shown you the example wherein somebody hide too much, and this is the example that you are not hiding, you are just allowing everything. If you haven't mentioned anything after disallow, that means you are asking crawler that you can crawl every pages of our site, and after that Google will come to the XML. That means it is why I have mentioned that after this asterisk sign is for each search engines, Google, Yahoo, Bing. If you want to specify, you can specify for the Google only, for Yahoo only, for Bing only. But the better practice is to take the asterisk sign so that it would be for automatically for all search engine. And you haven't disallow anything, right? After that, crawler will come to the sitemap and it will crawl every pages of the website. So this is simple, guys. If you are starting with your website, then you can have this robots.txt. I'm just pasting in the chat window. You can save it for your future use. And there are too many tools. The sitemap generator tool, if you will write the sitemap which I have shown you, that is not difficult to create. The only thing, you need to go to this URL and you need to add your website URL name, and it start to create the sitemap, and the XML file will be giving to you that you need to add in your root folder of your website, right? This is something. So this is done so far. XML and most pages indexed or not, right? So similarly, site architecture and internal linking is also important, right? You should have no broken links in your website. Broken link, that means you have the website and these are the internal links. Let's suppose these links are not opening, they are giving the error, that will considered as a broken link. You need to identify those, right? And you need to specify whether you want to take the horizontal or the vertical architecture. Nowadays vertical menus are very trendy, so you can go for the vertical menus rather than horizontal, right? So there are the priorities of the vertical or the horizontal, right? So vertical linking structure are in place, that is the high priority. Horizontal linking structure are in place, that is the medium priority. Internal links are contextual, that means your links which you have interlinked, that should have the meaning, that should have the relevancy, right? And there are anchor text should be appropriate, right? There should have no broken links, and your facilitated navigation is properly implemented. This is called as a facilitated navigation, guys. And let's have an example of this. So what would be the facilitated navigation? Let's suppose I am going to the shirt. So in e-commerce site, this is called as a facilitated navigation, right? Wherein you have the too many filter options and everything in your website. Okay. So similarly, mobile factors are also playing a very important role. If your website is mobile friendly or not, you can have there some tools. Uh, Go to this mobile friendly. So I'm just copying the domain name and I'm just checking this URL is mobile friendly or not. right? Because in SEO, if you optimize your website should be mobile friendly. This tool is also given in the chat window. Now we are checking about the mobile, guys. See, page is mobile friendly, but loading issues are there, so you can check the loading issues after clicking to the. So but the website is mobile friendly, right? So similarly there are few many tools wherein, so this is something done, your website is mobile friendly or not. Your website should be mobile friendly. It is having the high priority. Mobile experience allows users to reach information easily. This is also important, so that if the layout which is coming in the desktop, the same layout should come into the mobile side. Means your website is automatically adjust to the mobile side, right? Now you need to check the mobile speed and the desktop speed, right? Because the same speed your website the ideal speed of the loading of your website is 3 seconds. Within 3 seconds your website should load so that user can easily take the action. Because if your website will not load or upload in 3 seconds, within 3 seconds, then user will close the link of your website or will bounce back from your website, and your bounce rate will be considered high. So this is something. So your website should be the speed of your website should be ideal. How to check with the speed? Go to the tool with the developer. This is the Google tool, guys. I'm just giving you. So you want to check the speed of the mobile or speed of the desktop, right? So for that purpose, see, 100 out of 50 out of 100, that means it's poor. And in desktop what is giving? 67 out of 100, right? So needs work. If it will show the green sign, that will come after you will get the you will get the points around 70 above, then it would be the ideal speed. So there are few issues in that. What are the issues that are listed here? So all the issues you need to fix. You need to optimize your images, you need to avoid the JavaScript, you need to reduce the response time, you need to minify your HTML, you need to improve your browser caching. So these all are the options are given by the tool. Similarly, you can check it and you can avoid these things. If you are making it, then your website speed will automatically improve. This is something that you can do it, right? So for the mobile issues, there are the few mobile issues are mentioned here. These all are the factors, guys, which contribute for your website speed improvements. So I'm taking here 5 minutes break, and I'll be back after 5 minutes. Will you okay for this? Everybody respond me.
Okay, Jay. So Jay, we'll be backing after 5 minutes. Hello, I'm back, everyone. So let's start. Yes, Jay, you are there. Okay, great. So I was just telling you the tools wherein you can check the website speed and the mobile speed, and what are the factors which contributes for the website speed, and how you can fix those issues. And there is one more tool I want to give you, because this is the GT matrix. Similarly, the website speed checker tool. I'm just closing these or are the links so that I can. So go for the GT matrix, right? Wherein you just need to write down your website URL. And what will happen? You will see the main causes of your website low speed, and you can just download the list. Either if you are okay to fix all the issues at your end, you can fix at your end, else you can ask your developer who built your website, right? So see, it will give you the grade basically. The page speed score is B, 83 percentage, and this is the load time basically in the seconds, right? So this is something, and these all are the issues which are highlighted here. If you are see is something in the red color, that means you have too much of the issues. So these URLs you need to show your developer, because this is something which is a little technical. And if you are seeing the A sign, the A grade, which is fine, you don't need to fix those issues. You need to fix these browser caching issues, right? So these all are the issues you can get in very detail from the GT matrix. So this URL is also given in the chat window. You can copy and save for your later use. So I was discussing the factors which are contributing a lot in your website on page optimization. So mobile is very important, content level is very important, the crawlable structure is very important, and the on-page factors are very important, right? So now the technical issues are something that is, if your website is containing the flash, that means website will not be crawled properly by the Google search engines crawler. So you should avoid the use of the flashes, right? And similarly, if your website is using the schema, that is the markup language, and if you are using that to attract your you can say that attract your listings or the results, then Google is giving the high priority to that. So you can use the schema.org and code. This is something which will come technically, and you need to go to this URL to check the coding and all everything, and that's not that much of the difficult. Just collect the things from my end, and later on you can use everything, right? So, and after that you need to go for the link and profile check. So there are too many tools. Let's see your website, this website is use the Google Analytic tool or not, right? So for that you need to check Control F, Google Analytic. So if you are seeing this code, that means this website is having the Google Analytic tool. Basically this tool is used to track the user's behavior, right? So we have discussed what we have discussed so far, these on-page factors. Content quality check, which we have discussed. Crawlable link structure should have, this we have discussed. We have seen the title should be, H1 should be, body should be, right? And there are limit for everything, guys. You can use title maximum 65 to 67 character. This is the limit for title, and for the description there is a limit. (150 to 160). Long description you can use. And H1, I have told you that should be one H1 in one page, right? You can repeat H2, H3, H4 and H5, H6. There is no H7 guys, there is only H1 to H6 heading tags which you can use, and make sure that every page is having the one H1 at least, right? So body tag is also required, wherein you can mention the information. Image alt tag, because every image is having the unique alt name, the alternative name. If your website will not reload, then that alt tag will be displayed for that time being, right? And meta description keywords is also required. You can include all the targeted keywords for the page, and make sure that you are targeting 2 to 3 keywords per page, not more than that. 2 or 3 keywords per page, right? After that, URL structure, I have told you that should be user friendly and search friendly. You should not use special characters and confusing URL structure, make sure. So that should be simple. And robot.txt, I have already given you the code of the robot.txt, that is the simple, right? And which instruct robot.txt is a text file basically, that create to instruct robots how to crawl or index pages on their website. This is used for this purpose. And we have discussed the sitemaps. Sitemaps are the easy way for webmasters to inform search engines about pages on their sites that are available for crawling. So if you want to crawl the pages, you can mention in the sitemap. There should no broken links. There are many tools to check the broken links, right? So smallseotools.com website broken link checker, you can go for this link. I'm just giving you the example how you can check the broken link. This is my website. Okay. Click on here. What you need to do, you need to write down the security code. Find broken links. So it's scanning, you can say that. So broken link is something, when you click on a link that is supposed to take you somewhere, yet instead it takes you somewhere else or shows a 404 error message. This is a broken link. So make sure that you have placed the correct links, not the incorrect links, and every link should be redirected or open, whichever whichever you have mentioned that this is for that purpose. So that should be open clearly and should not give the 404 error. Let's suppose if I type something after this, it will give you the 404. Yes, see, I have mistyped something. Oops, are bad. This page you have requested is not here. So this is the 404 page, basically designed for the pages which are not available. Similarly, you can also create the pages. See 404 is coming here. You can see this. So there are too many links on this website, so all the links are scanning. Yes. So what is going on? You have only one broken link, right? So you can check this link and you can fix this link, or you can remove this link. So it's scanning again. So one broken link is listed here. Similarly, from this tool, you can check every broken link. The tool name I have mentioned in the chat window. Duplicate content. If you have the duplicate content, then what you can do, you can put the canonicalization. That your website should be open. If your website is opening without www, you can see here, if your website is opening with www and opening separately, not redirecting to the single URL. So decide whether you want the www or without www. Then you can put the 301 redirection to resolve this canonical issue. This is the duplicate content issue, right? So what you can do, I want that my website would be open with only www. If somebody will write from this only, then it will be redirected to this only, right? So you can put here this canonical tag. So here are some negative practice. I've told you the thin content you cannot use. You cannot use the clocking. You cannot use the keyword stuffing. You cannot use the hidden content, right? And I have already shown you how to check the page speed, and if your page speed is above 70%, that is ideal. But if your speed is below from the 70, then you need to improve your website speed or mobile speed or desktop speed. What are the factors that can help you to improve your speed? This is something, you need to compress your all files, your CSS, HTML, JavaScript, and you need to minify your files. You need to reduce the redirection, make sure that your website is not having the too much of the redirections, and the browser caching. Or other factors are the server response time, content CDN, content distribution network. You can use CDN if your server is having the higher is the low response time, then you can use the CDN. You can optimize your images and make sure that your website is having the responsive design. That means your website is opening either on desktop, mobile, laptop, or iPad. In every mobile versions, your website should be adjusted in that way. If somebody is opening, that can easily navigate your website. You can see the versions of the website. In desktop, it is opening fine. In laptop, it is opening fine. In iPad, it is opening fine. So this is something your website should be adjusted appropriately uh, in every devices. You can use the SEO markups, use schema markups just to highlight your data with the help of the data highlighter, right? Just to attract users, influence users to decorate your results. So you can use the SEO schema markups for the articles, events, local businesses, restaurants, products, software applications, movies, TV episodes, and books. And also, if your website is local, then you have to optimize your business in Google My Business page, Bing places, in the local sites basically. Also, if you are optimizing your website, then you have to identify the market trends. What are the market trends on which you are optimizing it? And you need to understand your market first, the target audience first. And for your target audience, you need to determine the keyword phrases on which you want to attract them, right? So this is the process, this is the clear process. First, understand the market trend, right? Then understand your audience, what kind of the audience you are targeting, what are the age groups. Write down the buyer's persona. I have In the second session, I have told you that write down the buyer's persona, in which you will write everything for your buyers, right? what are the problems they have, what are the age groups they have, what are the titles of the audience on basically you will target those. So everything you will writing, and after that, once you are okay with the market trends and target audience, then go for the keywords and phrases, right? So this is something. Now I am proceeding with the how to research the keywords. This is the much important session, guys, that how to research the keywords. So keywords I've told you, and you also notice that what is the role of the keywords whenever you are searching something. What is the role of the keywords basically? Because in search everything is depend upon the keywords, what kind of the keywords you are targeting. So let's have a look. There are too many tools to find out the keywords, and before that, tools I will let you know, and before that I want to explain what are the different types of the keywords. The main keywords, which is basically for your business, and in the main keywords you will have the short tail keywords or the long tail keywords, right? Or you can say that the generic keywords, right? And the variations of the main keywords which will come from the Google instant results, right? And LSI semantic keywords, which I will explain you, latent semantic index. And long tail keywords are the keywords which are long for your business, but initially you are optimizing your long tail keywords. And the last is the informational versus commercial keywords. So you need to define, you need to decide that what kind of the keywords you want to take, either the informational or the commercial keywords, right? If you are in the mood to sell something, then go for the commercial keywords. If you want to give the information to the audience, then go for the informational keywords. So these are the types of the keywords basically. So let's understand one by one, right? Main keywords. Main keywords are the, so this is done, broker link is done, site speed is also done. I have searched teeth whitening because Whiter Smile is the website, is the Australian website, right? So for this, the main keyword is teeth whitening, right? So teeth whitening is the main keyword. So similarly, you need to identify your main keywords first. So my keyword is teeth whitening, and you can say that skincare, skin treatment. These all are my main keywords. And once you will write the teeth whitening, you will see the Google instant results, what kind of the keywords you are searching. So teeth whitening natural, teeth whitening laser, dentist prices, baking soda, procedure, Amazon, home remedy. So such kind of the keywords you will see once you will type here, or even I will type the teeth, then Google will give you the option what you are looking for. So similarly, you need to optimize your business, you need to optimize all the keywords. If somebody is typing here, then teeth whitening at home, this keyword should be in your website. You are optimizing this keyword, you are mentioning something with the help of this keyword, because you never know that if I will redirect it to this keyword, then for this keyword your website should be optimized and should be come in the top, right? Here these all are the natural results which are coming here. So similarly, from the Google instant results, you need to take all the keywords. This we have discussed, the variations of the keywords, because once you know your main keyword, that my main keyword is teeth whitening, then you need to think around the teeth whitening, what could be the variations of those keywords. There should be the teeth whitening kits, teeth whitening at home, teeth whitening procedure, teeth whitening prices, teeth whitening online, teeth whitening in Australia and India, right? So similarly, you need to think about the variations of the main keywords, and if you are not aware from the variations of the keywords, then you can easily type in Google, and then Google will automatically will give you the uh, options of the and number of the keywords, right? So these are the variations of the main keywords, different types. And you need to understand the LSI, latent semantic index. What are the latent semantic index keywords? So these are the keywords which you need to also optimize. People are also click on such kind of the keywords. How to whiten teeth at home in one day. These all are the long phrases keywords, right? So you can write down something on that. You can, if you want to promote that these keywords, then you can take it and you can write any blog or something on those keywords, right? So these are called as a LSI, latent semantic index keywords, which you can see by end of the Google's page, right? It's very simple. All the variations you are seeing, even I will let you know the variations, how to find out the variations of the keywords. Okay. Now the long tail keywords. How the long tail keywords can help you? See, these are the long tail keywords. People are also search from these kind of the keywords, so you can also have a look of the long tail keywords and list out your all long tail keywords, which you can list out the combinations of the all your long tail keywords which you want to optimize it, right? Now you need to identify what are your commercial keywords and what are the informational keywords. So there is a difference between the commercial or the non-commercial keywords. So here in the example, let's suppose I have given the web design software or free web design, right? So here I am just giving the information about the web designing, right? But wherein I have just taken the web design training, that means I just want to influence those customers or users who are looking for the training, and ultimately they will pay for the training purpose. So this is something, is a commercial keyword, right? It is a commercial keyword, so that is looking for the money, right? So award winning web design, this is also the commercial keyword. So if you will learn the web design, and that could help you to win any award, right? So ultimately you need to define, you need to figure out what are the informational keyword and what are the commercial keywords, right? So did you understand from this? Any queries so far? Please let me know if you have any queries related to keywords and anything, so we can sort out it here. Okay, it's clear. That's great. Give me 2 minutes here. I'm back. I'll be back in two minutes. Yes, I'm back now. So somebody asked a question, Rafi, what is the commercial 480 high? See, Rafi, this is just the screenshot. I will let you know. This is basically the average monthly searches which you are seeing here. Means in a month, 480 people are searching for this keyword, particular location in which you are searching for. And Rafi, and commercial 480 high, and this is the bidding price. This is the bidding price for the use of the PPC. If you want to run the pay-per-click campaign, the paid campaign, then what would be the ultimate bidding for particular this campaign, right? So this is the screenshot, and once will very shortly I will redirect to the tool wherein I will let you know that how you can search the keywords, right? And all these terms like competition and the average monthly searches and the bidding, everything will be cleared from there. Okay, can I run in my browser PPC? You can run of course you can run the PPC. For that purpose you need to yes, browser, that's why I laughed. You can definitely you can run for PPC for your website. You can easily run the from the Google AdWords tool. It's a very easy tool. So first understand about the keywords. Let's finish the keywords. So Rafi, I think you were not here. Did you understand the types of the keywords so far? Main keywords, variations of the main keywords, LSI keywords, long tail keywords, informational versus commercial keywords. Did you understand these terms? No. So let's understand very quickly because I have already explained everything. So what I'm doing, teeth whitening. Just have a look quickly in 2 minutes. I am just making you understand these terms so that I can proceed. This is my website, and which is basically the teeth whitening. And it is the e-commerce website, and which is giving the products for the treatment products, gel kits, everything dental care, skin care products. So but my main keyword is teeth whitening, right? But so I will optimize around this, and for this main keyword I will create the variations. So the first type of the keyword is the main keyword, right? And after that, in the second type of the keywords, you will see the variations of the main keywords. How you can find out the variations? In the Google instant results, if you will type something, then you will automatically see such kind of the options Google are giving to you, right? So what you can do, if you are optimizing teeth whitening, make sure that you are optimizing these keywords too, because you never know that people will redirect to the teeth whitening dentist. If you have the dentist in your website, then you should optimize for the teeth whitening dentist as well, right? So these are the variations which are coming once you will type anything in your in the Google. So if you will scroll down in the at the very last, you will see these keywords. These keywords are called as the LSI keywords, the latent cementing index keywords. So make sure that if you have taken the main keywords, variations of the keywords, then you will check these LSI keywords too, right? So you should have these keywords in your list for the optimization. Teeth whitening methods, teeth bleaching kits. So my website is having the teeth bleaching kits. We are providing the teeth bleaching kits and the products and the cost, the natural process, laser, and prices, right? So these are called as a variations is done. LSI keywords is something which I have explained to you. Now I need to find out the long tail keywords. So long tail keywords would be, if you are writing something, let's suppose how to whiten the teeth home remedy, right? This is something the long tail keywords. Short tail keywords would be one or two phrase keywords, but long tail keywords is containing 2, 3 words, 2, 3, 4, 5 words, right? So these make sure that you are also optimizing keywords, because in the SEO process, if you are optimizing any website, that means on a very initial level you need to choose the keywords very wisely, because in the very initial level you cannot optimize the short keywords, because short keyword would be competitive enough, so long keywords would not be that much competitive. So once your website will be started to rank on the long tail keywords, then your website will automatically started to rank with the short tail keywords, because it that is a time taking process. SEO is a little bit time taking process, it's not that instant you will get the results. Like I, in the very first session, why I have taken the SMO is something, if you will do the paid marketing or the organic, definitely you can start earning very soon. But from the SEO, firstly you have to optimize the website, and you have to choose the keywords, then you have to optimize your website for those keywords, so it is a little bit time taking process. So the long tail is done. So we were discussing about the informational and the commercial keywords. This is something, if you are giving the information to someone, like free website design, you can say that modern website design. So these all are the information keywords. But you have mentioned the website design training. That means the training is this word is containing here, that is ultimately meaning that you want people, you want the resources who come for the training for the website designing, ultimately they will pay you. So this is the commercial keyword, right? This is the difference basically in the informational and the commercial keywords. So I think the types of the website is done at my end. We can proceed now. Let's redirect to the tool, which is the keyword planner tool. If you don't know the URL, then go to the keyword planner tool. First one, you need to redirect it here. So if you are not having the account, don't worry, you need to log in, you can log in with your Gmail account in that, right? So easily you can log in. Yes. See, Rafi, this is the basically a Google AdWord account which you manage to run the PPC, the pay per click. The ads which are coming here, uh, ads are showing. Oh my god. So this is the sponsored ad which you can run with the help of the Google Merchant, but I am searching for the hmm, this is the ad. So if this ad is coming, that you can run from the Google AdWord account. You can see that I have already created the campaign for my one of the business. Similarly, tomorrow we'll see practically if we can do this, but this is something out of the box, but that is for your query. So I am redirecting to the keyword planner here, guys. Okay, everyone. Make sure our website is whiter smile. For that I am searching. So once you will log in with your account, you will see some certain options here. Find new keywords and get search volume data, right? So here you will get the Google search volume data and trends, multiple keywords list to get new keywords, search for the new keywords using a phrases, website or the category. So I am clicking to the first one. Okay. But before that, what I have done, how I will search the keywords. For that purpose, uh, I am just simply list down. This is my website, right? I will search the keywords here and what necessary things I require. The average monthly searches, right? Average monthly searches and the competition and the current status in google.com, right? This is for the organic promotion, guys. Make sure that this is for the organic promotion, so I'm not writing here the bidding and all. Okay, everyone, so this is something you need to understand, right? And I'm just also make sure that if you have taken, there are categories for home page. Let's suppose this will be for my home page. This would be for my teeth whitening kits page. Okay. And bad breath treatments. Before you are going to search any type of the keywords for your business, make sure that you segregate them to in a very in the categories, simply in the categories. Bad breath system. So what I have done, bad breath treatments. So I'm just giving you the example of this is how you need to create your Excel sheet to find out the keywords, right? So proceed with here. So what I have done, I need to, my main keyword is teeth whitening. So first I know teeth whitening because Google is also refined. I do not want to mention here the landing page right now. If I will mention the landing page, so the options would be only for my the keywords which are linked to my landing page will give the options. So no product category, no landing page. So this business I am targeting in Australia. Make sure you are having the options to write down here. Let's suppose you are targeting India, so you will get the options, right? You are targeting so here you have the options. Okay, Delhi, India, here's the option. So I wanted to show you just, right? So teeth whitening and the locations I have done it, and negative keywords, these all are the factors needed once you will do the PPC, right? So language is fine, Google is fine. Click to the get ideas. Okay. Here also, if you want to change the settings, you can change it here. Not an issue. So I have mentioned the teeth whitening. See, what is the searches? The average monthly searches is 10 to 100k. So, Rafi, you were saying that 480, the 12 point something dollar was showing. So, similarly, my account is set in INR, is not in dollar. So, the suggested bidding is showing 257 for this keyword. This I can have an idea once I will run the PPC, right? So, similarly, the teeth whitening is the main keyword. It is having the monthly searches, average monthly searches around 10,000 से लेके 100,000, right? So this is something, this is very competitive keyword. Similarly, you can see the variations. Sometimes people can search the whitening teeth, not the teeth whitening. Teeth bleaching, dental implants, cosmetic dentistry, best teeth whitening. So the keywords which you are liking, you can add to your plan, right? Similarly, the teeth whitening teeth. This is also fine. Whiten teeth, teeth whitening. This is the commercial keywords, guys. Professional teeth whitening, laser teeth whitening, best teeth whitening, right? And teeth whitening, laser, bleach. So I am just adding to my plan, but some of the keyword will be like teeth whitening treatment. This would be for the teeth whitening treatment page. 30 results are showing, you can make it to the 100. There are some methods: cosmetic teeth, teeth whitening cost, instant teeth whitening, permanent teeth whitening. So I think the lots of the keywords I have chosen for my home page, and some of the keywords I have listed for the uh, other pages as well. Rafi, suggest bid. This that is what Rafi, I told you. Suggested bid is something, if you want to run the paid ad, that means here this ad is showing to run the ad for this keyword particularly. Your suggested bid, the bidding cost would be 257. If somebody will click on this link, that means around 257 would be deducted from your account. This is the bidding cost, suggested bidding cost. Okay, Rafi? But this is different from the SEO, because in SEO I'm showing the organic keywords, right? Because if you want to go, if you want to run the PPC, then you can go for the competitive keywords, and for that keywords you will see the suggested bids. Is that clear, Rafi? Is that clear? Rafi went on offline, I don't know. Okay. So we were discussing that we have, now I am searching for the teeth whitening treatments. Teeth whitening treatments at home. This is my long tail keyword, guys. So it is having the low search volume. Few of the long tail keywords I am searching: the teeth whitening at home, and best teeth whitening products. So far, teeth whitening dentist. If I have the dentist, then I will take this keyword as well. Best teeth whitening toothpaste. If I am giving the toothpaste, then I can have this teeth whitening home kit, right? I think I have taken the 20 keywords. Now if you have the 20 keywords, the same keyword you can download here. and Excel, CSV, and download. The simple process, guys, I am just explaining you. But whenever you will search the keywords, you need to do the research, the proper research. Excel must be open here. See what kind of the options I am getting. Delete it from here. This is the currency segmentation. I don't need this. What I need, these are the draft campaign, ad group would be, this is basically for the PPC, guys. And I don't, meaning for the teeth whitening ad group, I'm deleting it. So this is my keyword, and these are the broad keyword, right? I will let you know the broad and phrase and the exact keyword and how you can search the competition for them. So this is the average monthly. This is the competition, guys. And rest of the things you may delete it, right? So from this, these all are the keywords which are looking for my home page, right? No, it's not for the database. It is something when you will download it, go for the CSV. Else you would have the option to download in the Google Drive. But if you will click to the CSV, it will be automatically downloaded and you can open it. This is the CSV file, guys. The version, because it is saved in the CSV. But it's the Excel, you can access it. Right. Now the teeth whitening home kit. This keyword is basically here. So now you can define what kind of the options you want to take it. And keyword is suggested automatically. No, these all are the variations. Because in Google Keyword Planner tool, there are too many variations is listed because you have searched teeth whitening. So wherein the teeth or whitening or the treatments are coming will give you all the options, the relevant options. You can see here. So Google have the n number of the keywords which Google will give you as per the monthly average monthly searches basis, right? So you can choose the best keyword whichever you want to choose to target for your business, because you will have the idea that this keyword is searching by this much of the people on average, like average monthly searches is having on this keyword. Similarly, you can search. This is exactly to have the idea about your keyword. So can I earn through PPC on my site? How? You can earn definitely. You can earn, Rafi. This is something somebody will click to your website and is purchasing your product or is filling the contact us form which you want. Means the desired outcome, the desired end result you have mentioned which you want from your users. You can ask your users or influence your users so that they can click to your results, and they will fulfill they will complete the desired action which you want. So you can earn from the PPC as well, because PPC is something which is used for instant results, right? Because nowadays you can see that in the right hand side we are not having the ads, but in previously if you will check the Google, in the right hand side the paid results were showing, but now the paid results are coming here. After that organic is started, right? So sometimes what people do, people is clicked on the first, second, third, which are the paid results. So this is, let's suppose, dentist in Delhi. So dentist in Delhi run the paid campaign, superior dental care. This is the dental.com, right? So what this doctor want? This doctor want the if somebody will book the appointment, right? So for this doctor, the end outcome would be the, if somebody will filling the appointment order. So for that purpose, the doctor is running the paid campaign. So similarly, Rafi, you need to identify, because you want to earn something. So you are running any ad campaign to purchase, to sell your product. Whether it is the you can take the example of any e-commerce website. You are selling any e-commerce, you are selling any electronic product, home product, or clothing product. That is up to you. So similarly, if somebody will typing here or will clicking here, then user will purchase something. But in organic results, Google have to crawl down, avoid the 2-3 results, and after that the first results is organic. Nowadays everybody is having the idea what are the paid results and organic results, so people will similarly click on that. If somebody is familiar with the Prac2, then will click on this Prac2 and go for the appointment. So this is something. This is the scenario, Rafi, because I am just leveraging you with the different digital marketing options, wherein you can earn from the social media, you can earn from the SEO, you can earn from the PPC. This is something. So I was just explaining the keyword ideas. For home page, you can see that teeth whitening laser, teeth whitening treatment. Guys, remove this keyword because this will directly go to the teeth whitening uh, treatments, right? Teeth whitening treatments at home. So this keyword will be teeth whitening toothpaste. So teeth whitening dentist, if you are like want to optimize teeth whitening dentist, then this will be for the dentist page. So this is how you can best teeth whitening. Okay, so now you can sort all the keywords. Let's see, as per the average monthly basis you can sort it. This is the low search volume keywords, this is the little bit high search medium keywords, mediocre, and this is the high search keywords. Now I'm just giving you, this is something you need to categorize all your website pages or website categories, and for each category search for the relevant keywords, right? And then optimize those keywords. So I have just mentioned, right, uh, this is for the dentist page. Okay, all of you. So these are the my high search volume keyword. So always prefer those keywords which are having the high search volume and the less competition. This is the main technique. So make sure that your keyword is having the high searches and should have the less competition. Then you can target your keyword easily. So you can see that this keyword is having the less searches but having the highest competition. Then avoid this keyword, will not work for you. So this keyword is like having the highest search volume and competition is also high. Somewhere this keyword is fine, this keyword is also fine. So make sure that you are applying the right technique. Now I have mentioned this status, current status in google.com. So what I'll do, best teeth whitening methods. So I am targeting in google.com.au in Australia. So just to check the current status of website, whether my website is ranking or not. So my website is Vital Smile. So in top 10 results, what you need to do, once you will open it, you need to do the control F, and wherein you need to mention the website URL just to check the ranking. Here, control F, control V. So in top 10 results, it's not coming. Go for the top 20 results, find out again. No, it's not coming in top 20. It's not coming in top 30. So similarly, you can check it if I'm mentioning the current status in google.com in the top 10. I'm asking for the top 10. So you can mention NIR, which is the not in rank. So why I have mentioned this column, just because let's suppose this keyword is targeting in 5, 2, 3. Okay, and this keyword is NIR, right? NIR. So rather optimizing this keyword, because this is automatically ranking. This is ranking from your previous work. So you can maintain the ranking for these keywords, and apart from that you can focus on these keywords because these are the important keywords. So you can focus on these keywords just to rank higher. So this status is important while you are finding the keywords for your business. Hope this is explained to all of you that how you can find out the keywords. This is very much simple, not that much complicated. Who is giving the suggested keywords, some person or the backend machine? Rakesh, I've told you that this is the tool. This is the Google tool, basically the Google AdWord, the Google keyword planner tool. Here, a lot of lot of the keywords are listed, right? So you are using this tool just to identify that how many search volumes are here, what is the competition of this keyword, what is the suggested bidding of this keyword. So this is you can find out, right? So this is the tool which is giving you the variations of the keyword. Hope this is understandable, right? So in Google keyword planner you can go to the display planner as well. In display planner, again I am writing the teeth whitening. I went to the display planner, guys, but ma'am, tool definitely be using something. See this, Rakesh, the entire process is built up for the Google, because Google revenue is 50 to 60% are coming from the search, right? So people are searching from the Google here. So Google, what is Google doing? If some keyword is searching too much by the people from as per for the different location, so Google is listing this keyword in the Google keyword planner, right? And mention the search volume, and there is some formulas that Google is calculating how much competition on this keyword is having, how many people on monthly basis is searching this keyword. So Google is ultimately very big thing, right? So Google is everything. Google is having their keyword tool, is having the AdSense, is having the PPC tool as well. So Google is like listing, Google is them itself is listing the keywords in the Google keyword planner too. This is clear now. Why we are using CSV file for the keyword? Can we use something else instead of the CSV file? Yes, Rakesh. Rakesh is, I think it's clear for the Rakesh. So Rakesh has said, why CSV file? Rakesh, it is not mandatory that you need to go only for the CSV file. I will explain you, because I think now, let me explain you again by downloading it, because it is here that, let's suppose some keyword are coming. Teeth whitening, if I will explain you here. Just hold down for 2-3 minutes. Let me complete this display planner as well, wherein I will explain for the teeth whitening keywords what is happening. This is something. How many age groups people are having the much traffic for this keyword? See, 8% is 25 to 34 age group people are searching too lot for this keyword, right? 8% is. So you can find out the age group for this keyword and who are searching more, male, female, or unknown. So unknown is having too many searches, and where, in which platform you are having the searches, from the desktop, from the mobile, and from the tablet. So you can see that you can optimize this keyword for the mobile, because in mobile is having the too many searches, right? So in the display planner you would have the such options. So here's the ad groups. I'm redirecting to the keywords. Okay. So you can identify this data should be monthly basis. Weekly and monthly basis data is coming. It is refreshing. Okay. So I am just giving you the idea that if you are searching the keywords, you have to mention these things as well, because you have the buyer's persona, right? You know your targeted audience. So only choose those keywords that if you are targeting the male, but male is having the less search, then avoid this keyword, right? If you are targeting your keywords to the mobile only, but everything you need to notice, the age group, the gender, the devices, the location, everything. If you want to see the all keywords, you can download the keyword ad group, right? But I want the keywords, so I am clicking it here, because it is the display planner, right guys? So in the display planner you would have the idea around this. So I am redirecting again to the keyword planner, just to clear the question of Rakesh that the CSV file is necessary or not. Can we have the different version of the files? So start over, right? And again I'm clicking it here. I'm just quickly write downing the teeth whitening, or if you have the any keyword, then you can write down it, or you can go to the get ideas, right? And see, I have just given you the best option. Sometimes what happen, people is just copying and pasting it here, and similarly the search volume is pasting by this. So it's not a good practice, because if you want 2-3 keywords, then would be fine. But if you want the n number of the keywords just to find out, so you will click it here, you will click it here, this keyword is fine, this keyword is fine, this keyword is fine. Let's suppose you have chosen the 1000 keywords from this, and you are downloading this plan. See here what options are coming. AdWords editor CSV, you cannot download forecast until you set up it. So this is option. Save to the Google Drive. Now Rakesh, what you wanted to ask me? So here are the options. Either you can go to the Excel CSV or you can save to the Google Drive. That's why I have selected this option, file format. I do not, because these options are coming from this Google Keyword Planner. We don't have other options. If here we have the different options in the file format, whatever, so we can go for that, but the options is limited. Either you can go for the AdWords editor CSV or Excel CSV. So I want data in Excel CSV, that's why I'm clicked it here. If we say, you can save it on Google Drive, because I am running this session and I want to complete these things, that's why I went for the Excel CSV, right? So this is up to you. Okay, no problem. So keyword research tool is done, competition is done. So you can main keyword competition, keywords. So if you are searching the keyword, then your competition is this. Also in Google, what I'm doing, I'm writing the teeth whitening. This is the broad keyword, guys. What is this? It is a broad keyword. And see the competition here, right? If I want the exact keyword, what I want the exact keyword, then the competition is reduced, right? Similarly, you can check it. If you want to check it in title, that is the query that you are searching, that how many people are using this keyword in title, the exact keyword. In I misspelled title in title, right? So you can see that in title only this much of the sites are using teeth whitening. So these all are the different examples from which you can check the keyword competition. uh, Guys, apart from the keyword planner tool and display planner tool, we have the options. We have checked the keyword planner and display planner, right? We have the trends, Google Trends. Everybody did try. Okay, Rakesh, in title means, I think I have not, okay, I have not closed it yet. In title means that people are using teeth whitening in title. See, only those results are opening here who are using the teeth whitening in title, right? Similarly, these are the in URL. If you want to check it, how many people have used teeth whitening in URL, then you can you can search something like this. These all are the basic terms, and you can find out in Google the basic formulas if you want to search in title, URL, and description, right? So you can search in something in that way. Okay, Rakesh. So I was just explaining the Google Trends to you, all of you. If you want to identify how much trendy is your keyword, right? Let's suppose this is the latest digital marketing jobs. So I just want to search the trend for this keyword. How can I search? Worldwide, I want to search digital marketing jobs, and I want to not for the past year, go for the 90 days. This is the 3 months data, guys. See the growth of the like digital marketing jobs. In India. I have searched in India, but what you can do it, you can search in worldwide, or I want to search in, let's suppose, Dubai. In the past 90 days. So rather, I am clicking to the worldwide, right? And I want to, rather writing this keyword, I want to compare Salman Khan is much popular. Salman Khan. This is the search term, and I want to compare with the Ranveer Kapoor. Okay, guys. Too many things I can compare here. So in the past 5 years, past 4 years, worldwide, I'm just comparing. Actually, I'm comparing wrong. Ranveer Kapoor is not much popular as compared to the Salman Khan guy. So it is just for the example. You can see the graph, worldwide popularity of the Ranveer Kapoor and the Salman Khan. And you will see the relevant keywords from here as well. This is the graph, and other heroes like Shah Rukh Khan, Katrina Kaif. So you can check the trends of the keywords, and you can compare the keywords as well. Hope this is interesting, because before finalizing anything, I always check the trend of any keyword. So this is something you can also follow and you can also do. Okay. So if you want to compare that either the teeth whitening kits is much popular or teeth whitening kits is popular, right? So dentist, you can similarly do whatever you want to check it in the Google Trends, you can do it. Similarly, you can define it. Salman Khan is having 87, Ranveer Kapoor is having the 4, right? 3rd June. Now the competition would be better, no? Yes, it is almost like Ranveer was nowhere, but of course Shah Rukh is somewhere, but still you can see that the red one is for the red one is for the Shah Rukh Khan. Shah Rukh is much popular than Salman Khan. Somebody asked a question. Twitter is also using the same trend, ma'am. Yes, Twitter is also using the same trend, ma'am. Yes, Twitter, we can check Twitter as well. So here I'm just discussing the organic promotion. If you want to go through with the how trendy your keywords, then you can check it from the Google Trends, digital marketing jobs and the television marketing. So here is the one exercise, all of you. Quickly, I just want to ask you to all of you that there is a business Starbucks. Everybody is aware from the Starbucks. So Starbucks targeted audience. What would be the targeted audience for the Starbucks? Teenagers, young adults, working professional 30 plus. So this is my basically the understanding with the business. And who else would be the targeted audience? Social media influencers, the coffee bloggers, the food bloggers, the Instagram food and the photographers are also the target audience of the Starbucks. And after that, who else? The partners and the employees, right? So my question was, whenever you are finding keywords for any business, make sure that you need to understand first your business and your target audience. So for the Starbucks, I have identified the target audience in the three categories, right? The first one, who are the drinkers? The second one, who are the influencers for this Starbucks? And the third one, who are the associated with the Starbucks, means the employees and the partners, right? So whenever I will find out the keywords for the Starbucks, I will find the keywords in that way. So you can also similarly identify that for tea and coffee drinkers, the keyword would be coffee shop in Mumbai, roasted coffee shops near me, Starbucks locations. And for the social media influencer, what I'll do, top coffee bloggers in India, food food photographer. And for the partners and companies, careers at Starbucks, who want to join the Starbucks. So this would be my categorization while searching the keywords for the Starbucks, right? So that is the small exercise. Even I have mentioned the little keywords in this, but you can go through with this. I have just given you the idea that how many kind of the targeted audience are available in the Starbucks, and similarly you can find out the keywords for them. So this is the small exercise at my end. So guys, as of now for today, I have completed this session. Let's move to the agenda which we have finalized for today. The agenda was to understand with the history of the search, type of the website, on and off page factors, keyword research we have done, do's and don'ts of the affiliate marketing. Guys, from them the off page factors are left. We will cover this by tomorrow, because for today we have completed a lot, but tomorrow we will understand the off page factors, how we can promote the organic links with the help of the uh, off page optimization, how we can create the backlinks for them, right? Apart from that, we will be discussing tomorrow the PPC, the basics of the PPC, and how to create the paid ads on the PPC, right? So similarly, how to create the campaigns and how to run the paid ads on PPC. By tomorrow, we will understand this, and we will be also knowing the email marketing, how we can do the email marketing, right? How we can create the best template with the email marketing, how we can influence the users for the affiliate marketing with the help of the email marketing. So as of now, this thing is pending at my end. The PPC, the off-page optimization, the email marketing, and the rest of the things I will cover by tomorrow. So any queries, guys? Because I am just about to close this session. So far we have completed this. Okay, ma'am, please can you tell the organizer to give downloaded link video of the recorded sessions? Of course, you can ask them. You can ask them, because they always download the recording. So you can ask them and you can download it. You can have it, right? Even I will also speak to them. No issues with that. So this session was technical today, because in the most of the people is Rafi was not here for 1 hour, I guess. I'm remembering. So in this session we have discussed, I'm doing affiliate marketing for a company, how to make agreement with them, legal contract. Jaishankar, this thing is pending. I will I will explain this thing, how you can make the contract with them, how you can sign up with them. So I will explain you too, definitely with the practically. What are the steps you need to follow, the legal contract and all. Okay, Jay? Any more queries, guys? You want to ask me? So far, the sessions which we have completed went very practically. The last two sessions and today's session. So I would request you, because the lot of stuff I have finished in the 3 hours. But for you, all of you, to understand this session, you need to do the practice. Because if you will not do the practice, you will not understand. Because the data I have shown you, which is I have collected from the last 7 years of the experience. So this is the concluded data. You just need to understand, because I have just given you everything. The only practice is remaining, and which comes from your end, right? Because in affiliate marketing I am covering all best options which can help you to make money instantly, right? Any more questions, guys? I'm closing it now. Thank you, all of you. Thank you. Rafi, okay, ma'am, if we need to type of help, then call you. Rahul, I have already given you the contact number. Do you have my contact number, WhatsApp number, or email ID? Let me know how to make affiliate link Flipkart. See, I have given, did you listed in Flipkart, Rafi? Did you listed in Flipkart so far? You need to collect the affiliate link. Okay. And then the options which I have given you, the SEO, SMO and PPC. From them you can promote your link, affiliate link. The rest of the questions you can ask me on my WhatsApp, on my on call, right? On email ID. Whenever you feel that you have any queries, if you will write down in the email, I will reply to you. No worries for that. Jay Shankar, again I am giving you the contact number. I think you guys are not saving the contact number. This is for call. This is this is for WhatsApp number, and this is my email ID. The better practice would be, guys, that you can mail me your queries. I will reply to the mail, right? I have given to everything, the call number, the WhatsApp number, and the email ID. Just write down your queries on email ID. I will help you to answer all instantly, right? Because I am accessing my email IDs very frequently, right? So thank you all of you for your time, for everything. Thank you so much. Tomorrow we'll meet at the same time. Thank you.